query. Nested query means query within another query. Query that has another query embedded within it. The embedded query is called a subquery. Query within another query. Here there are two operators are used: in and not in. In and not in. Here nested query means query within another query is called nested query. Here in operator. What is the importance of in operator? In operator is used to nested query, which acts as equal that checks for the rows that are equal in a query and subquery. In a query and subquery. Here in this environment, first execute the subquery then execute the main query. Here query contains another query is called nested queries. Query contains another if called nested if. Same as query contains another query is called nested query. Here syntax is select column list from table name, where column name we are using in operator. In operator importance is it acts as equal that checks for the rows that are equal in a query and subquery. Equal in a query and subquery. Here select column list from the table name where condition. Select column list from table name where condition. Here simply we are using find the names of sailors. Find the names of sailors who have reserved boat number 103 using nested query. Find the names of sailors who have reserved boat number 103 using nested queries. Nested query environment we are using in operator. Nested query environment we are using in operator. Here simple, we see LECT, select.
Later open all.
Sorry?
Later open all that, sir.
Now Karthik?
Visible, sir.
Yeah, select. Our query is find the names of sailors who have reserved boat number 103. Here wanted columns are names, wanted records are those who are reserved in boat number 103. Select s.s name from sailors. Yes, sailors says select s.s name from sailors says. Our query is find the names of sailors. Find the names of sailors. This part is over. Find the names of who have reserved. Condition is who have reserved boat number 103. Boat number 103. Here select b.bid from boats where bid equal to 103. Or bid equal to 103. Select b.bid from boats B where b.bid equal to 103. Okay. Here there is no direct relationship between sailors and boats. Here there is no direct relationship between sailors and boats. In this time, first we are identifying our query is find the names of sailors. Find the names of sailors who have reserved boat name, boat number 103. First identify the entities. What are the entities I have in this table, in this query? Rahul?
Sailors,
Sail-
boats.
Sailors and boats. Here find the names of sailors. We are finding the names of sailors and boat number 103. Attributes. What are the attributes I have here? First identify the entities. Entities are sailors and boats. Identify the attributes.
Names, sailor names, sir.
Names and boat number.
Boat ID.
Boat number or the boat ID. Okay. And third point, what is the identify the relationships in this query? Relationship. Reserves. Reserves is the relationship. Here reserves is the relationship. Our query is here find the names of sailors. Sailors part is find the select BID from the sailors where BID equal to 103. 103 got ID equal to 103. One select C, select star from boards B, where BID equal to 103. Saujanya,
Yes, sir.
B dot BID equal to 103. Please explain this instruction. This line.
Select star from boards B, where B dot BID equal to 103, sir. Here we are retrieving the data of boards which are reserved board number equal to 103, sir.
In this environment, we are using only wanted column names only. This query we
Yes,
are
sir.
retrieving in this area, we are retrieving columns only. Here we are retrieving wanted records only. Wanted records only. Okay. Wanted records only. Now our query is Karimullah. Karimullah.
Yes, sir.
Find the names of sailors who have reserved BID 103. Find the names of sailors who have reserved BID 103 using nested query. Using nested query. Find the names of sailors who have reserved
Select
BID.
S dot S name.
Select S dot S name
From sailors S,
from sailors yes.
where
Sailors yes where
exists
sir we are using nested query.
S dot SID in
Select S dot S name from sailors S where S dot SID
in
in S dot SID in
select S R dot SID
select R dot SID
from reserves
from reserves
are where
are where
BID equal to 103.
R dot BID equal to 103. Samarakshita output. Samarakshita output.
Destin Lubbar Harashio. Destin Lubbar Harashio.
Justin Lubber Horatio. Select S dot S name from
Horatio.
sailors where S dot SID in. Select R dot SID from reserves are where R dot BID equal to 103. Justin Lubber Horatio. Okay. Here we are using another one. Select star select SID from BCR results DB equal to 103. Satvik output. Select SID from reserves where BID equal to 103. Satvik. Sweta.
22 31 74.
22, 31, 74. 22, 31, 74. Okay. Now, select S dot S name from sailors S where S dot SID in 22, 31, 74. Satvik. Satvik. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between
Destin Lubbar.
this one and this one? So let's put it on. So select S dot S name from sailors yes, where s dot sid in of 22, 31, 74. Follow me.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between this one and this one? What is there? This one. Let me try one second. So,
Sir,
what is the difference
here,
between these two?
sir, in first situation, Horatio, both 64 and 74 will be considered, sir.
So, Shaul and sir here, please select s dot s name from sailor says where s dot s in now 22, 31, 74. Here select s dot s name from sailor says where s dot sid in of select r dot sid from results are where r dot bid equal to 103. What is the difference between these two things?
Sir, here, reserved boat ID 103, their names will be displayed, sir.
Okay.
In the above, only that selected SID's names will be displayed, sir.
Sir, before the execution of the query, after execution of the query result is these three values. Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
After execution of this query, select r dot sid from results are where r dot bid equal to 103. Okay. This is the query. Select r dot sid from results are where r dot bid equal to 103. Output is here. Find the SIDs of sailors who have reserved BID 103. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Karmala output Karmala.
22,
22,
31.
31, 74.
22,
31, 74, sir.
31, 22, 31, 74. Okay. First, Saujanya.
Yes, sir.
Here, this is the instruction, na. This
Yes,
is the
sir.
this is the outer query. This is the inner query. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If possible to explain this instruction. We are
Sir.
using.
Sir, we are using nested queries, sir.
In this environment, we are using nested query. Okay.
Main query was select s dot s name from sailor says where s dot sid in, sir.
Okay.
And subquery is select r dot sid from reserves are where r dot bid equal to 103, sir.
Yeah.
By using nested query, we are retrieving the data of sailors' names who has reserved 103, sir.
Okay.
That's why the subquery is SID subsailors who have reserved 103, which is kept in subquery, sir.
Which query is executed first? Either main query or subquery?
Subquery, sir.
Subquery only execute. Okay. Karmala. Karmala.
Yes, sir.
Find the SIDs of sailors. Find the names of sailors who have not reserved boat number 103 using nested query. Find the names of sailors who have not reserved. Find the names of sailors who have not reserved boat number 103 using nested query.
Select s dot s name
Select s dot s name
From sailor
from
says
sailor says
from sailor says
where s dot sid
where s dot sid
not in.
not in.
Yes, sir.
Not in. Okay. Not in.
Select r dot sid from reserves are
Or dot sid from
where r dot bid equal to 103.
where or dot bid equal to 103. Sweta. Sweta.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between this one and this one? What is the difference between in
First one
operator?
First one is in operator, second one is not in operator.
What is the difference between in and not in?
In is SID from reserves BID equal to 103 names display అవుతాయి సార్.
Okay.
సెకండ్ వన్ అనేది ఈ మూడు కాకుండా రిమైనింగ్ డిస్ప్లే అవుతాయి.
First one, find the names of sellers who have reserved boat number 103 using nested queries. Okay. The second one, find the names of sellers who have not reserved boat number 103 using nested queries. Is it clear? Output.
Yes.
Shahul Hamid. Output. Shahul Hamid.
Yes, sir.
Boots, Andy,
Andy.
Rusty,
Rusty.
Jubra,
Jobra.
Art,
Art.
Bob, Bob sir.
Brutus. Andy. Rusty.
ఆర్ట్ బాబ్.
Brutus. Andy. Rusty. Horatio. Jorba. Art. Bob.
Bob.
These are the 7. Okay. And the next one, in operator and not in operator. Not in operator means this is just opposite to in operator. Okay. Syntax is same here. Here we are using not in only. 7 rows are selected. And Saujanya,
Yes, sir.
yeah, please read on this.
Starting, sir.
Yeah.
If there is a relation between outer query and inner query,
Okay.
then such queries are said to be correlated nested queries, sir.
Yeah.
Exist. Exist is another set comparison operator, sir.
Okay.
This operator is used to check for existence of value and produce Boolean results, sir.
Okay.
Syntax select column list from table name where column name exists, open parenthesis, select column list from table name where conditions, sir.
Sudeep.
Yes, sir.
What is the importance of exists? Here, correlated query support exist, not exist. 2 operators are there. Nested query support in, not in. Correlated query support exist and not exist. Exist query and not exist query. Here we are using find the names of sellers who have reserved boat number 103 using correlated query. My question is clear. Sudeep,
Sir, yes, sir.
here what is the difference between exist and not exist? What is the importance of exist operator? Exists.
To check whether the value is exists or not.
Satvik,
Present or not.
here exists. Exists is another set comparison operator. This operator is used to check for existence of a value and produce the Boolean result. Okay. Satvik, my question is, what is the difference between nested query and correlated queries? What is the difference between nested query and correlated query? Satvik.
Sir,
My question is, what is the difference between nested query and correlated queries? Both are having query within another queries only.
correlated queries have a relation between each other, sir, between inner query and outer query.
Yeah, very good. Relation between the inner query and outer query. Okay. One output is dependent on another output. Another input. Okay. There any another definition, another example, another definitions, another differences? Shahul Hamid.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, differences in
Sir,
other
in
different-
in nested query there will dependence, sir.
Yeah.
In correlated query there will be no dependence, sir, on inner query or outer.
Okay. Another definition. Another difference. Saujanya.
Yes, sir.
Any another difference between nested query and not correlated queries?
Sir, in
In
nested query.
In correlated query, we check relations are if there is exist or not, sir.
Okay.
But in nested query is not like that, sir.
How is there any other difference?
Sir, in nested query first inner query will be executed, sir.
Okay.
And then outer query. In correlated query first the outer query.
First execute
outer queries.
outer query. Are you clear? Please see here. Select s dot s name from Sailor says where exists. Select star from reserves or dot did. This is the query now. Select star from reserves or where r dot did equal to 103 and r dot sid equal to h dot sid. What is the meaning of this one? Software.
Sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Select star from reserves or where r dot did equal to 103 and r dot did equal to h dot sid.
Not possible, sir.
Is it completed query or dependent or independent? This
Incomplete.
Inner query is dependent or independent, Rama Rakshita? Inner query
Dependent,
is
sir.
dependent. Okay.
Dependent on outer query in correlated queries.
Here error is there. Here SID is invalid. Here S dot SID is a invalid identifier. Here we are not using. Okay. Karimullah. Sudeep. Sudeep.
Yes, sir.
Explain on this one. Is it possible? Query output. Select x dot s name from Sailor says.
Only S names will be displayed, sir.
Only S names will be displayed. Okay. Where we are using exist. Outer query is dependent or independent?
Independent.
Outer query is
Independent.
dependent or independent?
Independent, sir.
Independent. Okay. Inner query?
Dependent.
Inner query is dependent. Okay. Select x dot s name from Sailor says where exists. We select a star from reserve server. Okay. We are using not exist. Same thing. Satvik. Karimullah. Shahul.
Yes, sir.
Find the names of sailors who have not reserved boat number 103 using correlated queries. Find the names of sailors
sir.
who have not reserved boat number 103 using correlated queries. Yeah.
Select s dot s name from Sailor says
Select s dot s name from sailors. Yes.
where not exists.
Saujanya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Not exist.
Let's continue, Shahul. Continue.
Yes, sir. Select star from reserves, sir.
Exists. Okay. Select star from
Reserves, sir.
reserves or
Where r dot bid is equal to
where
103.
r dot bid equal to
103.
103. 103
And r dot sid is equal to s dot sid.
and r dot sid equal to s dot sid. Output Rama Rakshita.
Sir.
Output.
Brutus, Andy, Rusty, Jorba, Art, Bob.
Horatio.
Horatio also.
Brutus, Andy, Rusty, Horatio, Jorba, or Bob. Okay. Saujanya.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between any and all? What is the difference between any and all? Any and all.
All means we are
All means My question is, what is the difference between any and all?
Sir, any is individual.
Sir,
Okay. Saujanya,
Yes, sir.
what is the difference between any and all? Okay, I will give clue. Karimullah?
Yes, sir.
Karimullah.
Yes, sir.
Find the sailors whose rating is better than some sailor called Horatio. This is the query. Find the sailors whose rating is better than some sailor called Horatio. Here, find the sailors whose rating is better than every sailor called Horatio. Is it a clear point? Sir, my
Yes,
question
sir.
is, Karimullah,
Yes, sir.
my question is, find the sailors whose rating is better than every sailor called Horatio. Find sailors whose rating is better than some sailor called Horatio. These are the two different types of queries. Find sailors whose rating is better than every sailor called Horatio. Find sailor whose rating is better than some sailor called Horatio. What is the difference between these two things, Karimullah? Satvik,
Sir,
are you clear my question? Find the sailors whose rating is better than every sailor called Horatio. Find the
Yes.
sailors whose rating is better than some sailor called Horatio. Yeah, okay.
yes, sir.
Sir, some sailor means any of the names will be checked.
Some sailor means
In
Any
both the
any
names,
value,
any
it will be checked, sir. Compares only any value.
compares only.
with one, any of the names, sir.
Okay, we are
Means
first
there
we
will
are
be-
executing this query. Find the sailors whose rating is better than some sailor called Horatio. Okay, using all operator or any operator. Find the sailors whose rating is better than some sailor called Horatio. Okay. Karimullah. Karimullah. Yeah. Saujanya.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Any one of you.
Select S.SID from sailors.
Is select yes dot. Find the names of sailors who find names of.
Select S dot S name.
Sir, here query is please check here. Find the
Find the names
sailors.
of
Find the SIDs. Okay. Find the SIDs of sailors whose rating is better than some sailor called Horatio. Okay. Find select S dot SID
S.SID from sailors.
from sailors
Where
where
S dot rating is greater than
S dot rating greater than
any of
any of
select S dot rating
CL is select S dot rating
from sailors
from sailors
where S dot S name equal to Horatio.
why you are using select S1 dot rating from sailors S1 where S1 dot ratio select SID from sailors S where S dot rating greater than any select S dot rating from sailors S where
S dot
name equal
S
to
name equal to
Horatio HORATIO. Outputs are
Sir, 31,
31,
22.
74,
yes, sir. We are not
parenthesis misses.
ended, not ended. Parenthesis is missing. Output. Satvik output.
31, 74,
31, 74.
32,
32,
58, 71.
58, 71. Okay. Saujanya,
Yes, sir.
explain no? How it will output will come.
Sir, here we are retrieving the Silas ID, sir,
Okay.
who have rating is greater than Horatio, sir.
Okay.
Any one of the one.
Here, how many Horatios are there?
2 Horatios, sir.
2 Horatios are there.
We are
Yes.
selecting 64 only, sir.
Okay. Horatius ratings are? Sweta, Horatio ratings?
7 and 9, sir.
7 and 9. Okay. Here we are using select Karamula. Select Karamula.
Yes, sir.
We need SI ID and rating also.
Select S dot SID, comma,
Select S dot SID, comma, S dot
S dot rating,
S,
S rating,
S rating, S dot S rating. From child access, results
S
are
results are
policy control.
fair condition.
Yeah, comma space,
Rating only.
S dot S. Column name, rating only or S rating?
Rating, sir.
Rating.
S dot
S
rating.
dot rating.
S dot RA, rating. Above 7 rating. Here we are using all. All means